sleep right now. Rock, rock, lullaby. Kitty sings the moon so high. Baby shark jumps on the bed. Pillow bouncing on his head. Blanket flying through the air. Toys and bubbles everywhere. He says, I'm not sleepy now. Then makes funny sharky sounds. No, 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 don't sleep yet, guys. Baby sharky's jumping set. Kitty walks in soft and slow. Moonlight starts to gently glow. Tiny stars float in the room. Kitty hums a sleepy tune. Baby shark still wiggles fast. Kitty smiles and sings at last. Rock, rock, sleepy night. Close your eyes and hug tight slide. Kitty sings la la loo. Magic sparkles shining blue. Clouds are floating way up high. Sleepy moon lights up the sky. Oh no! Baby shark slows down a bit. Yawns and stretches tiny fins. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Thrippy shark knows where you are. Soft breeze blows the curtain slow. Nightlight makes a gentle glow. Baby shark hugs Teddy tight. Everything feels warm tonight. Kitty whispers, close your eyes. Dreams are waiting in the sky.
Just for you.
Sleep, sleep, drift away. Dreamy nighttime ends again. Baby shark now snores so sweet. Tiny tail under the sheet. Kitty smiles and tucks him in. Magic lullaby rings again. Moon and stars shine way above. Nighttime filled with sleepy love. Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Twinkle, twinkle in the skies. Sweet dreams lullaby saves the day.
Oh, no.
Sweet dreams now, hip hip hooray.
Kitty walks to school at night. Moon is glowing soft and bright, but the gate goes creak open slow. Kitty whispers, is someone there? Wind dressed and everywhere. She steps inside, lights go blink. Chalk writes words before she thinks. Books start flying in the air. No teacher here, just empty chair. Suddenly, boom! Desk moves on its own. Kitty jumps, I'm not alone. From cupboard a skeleton pops. Bones go clack, that never stops. He sits down with a spooky grin. Let's start class. Let's begin. Kitty laughs, okay, this is new. Bones go dancing, clap, clap too. Cafeteria starts to shake. Zombie comes with hungry face. He looks at food, one big bite. Everything disappears in sight. Kitty shouts, hey, slow down. But zombie spins all around. In science lab, lights turn green. Witch appears like movie scene. She stirs a potion, pop goes smoke. Even chairs start to float. Kitty says, that's kinda cool. Coach just laughs, welcome to school. Empty hallway, cold and wide. Ghost is floating side to side. Boo, he says very slow. Kitty runs, then stops like no. Ghost just laughs, I'm your friend. Spooky school, No real island. Morning light starts breaking in. Everything feels safe again. Skeleton waves, zombie smiles. Killing, which says bye for many miles. Ghost disappears in air so thin. Kitty laughs, what a school I've been. Spooky school, but fun all day. Even monsters wanna play. Yum, 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 candy rains. Baby shark eats once again. Pop, pop, pop goes jelly booms. Candy flying round the room. Oops, oops, tummy shake. Too much candy, tummy ache. Baby shark finds candy store. Chocolate falling on the floor. Lollipops and gummy bears. Candy flying everywhere. Baby shark says more, more, more. Ben needs a giant candy where. As yum, 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 chew, chew, chew. Too much candy, what to do? Baby shark jumps super high. Candy shooting to the sky. Spin, spin, spin around the chair. Sticky jelly in his hair. He slips and slides across the floor. Then wants candy even more. Kitty hears a boom, boom, boom. Candy bouncing round the room. Baby shark goes, oh no me. My tummy feels all wiggly. Kitty says, now listen here. Too much candy's not good, dear. No, 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 candy stop. Time for healthy munch, munch, chop. Kitty brings banana shake. One apple slices on a plate. One crunch, crunch, crunch goes carrot bite. Baby shark feels alright. Water splash and soup so warm. Healthy food becomes the charm. Crunch, 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 healthy fun. Strong and happy everyone. Baby shark now dances slow. Healthy power starts to grow. Candy sometimes is okay, but not all night and all day. Kitty laughs and claps with glee. Healthy habits lead way. Yum, 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 candy treat. But healthy food is good to eat. Kitty helps and saves the day. Happy shark can laugh and play.